फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपके लिए आज लाया हूँ एक छोटा सा वीडियो प्लांटिक्स ऐप के बारे में। प्लांटिक्स 2015 में इन्वेंट हुआ जर्मनी में। उसके बाद से इट हैज़ बीन ग्रोइंग लाइक एनीथिंग एंड इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ सोशल मीडिया ऐप जहाँ पर आपको कनेक्ट किया जाता है बहुत सारे फार्मर्स के साथ में, बहुत सारे एग्रीकल्चरल एक्सपर्ट्स एंड साइंटिस्ट्स के साथ में। तो आप इसमें फ़ोटो क्लिक करके अपलोड करते हैं तो तुरंत आपको प्लांट का आइडेंटिफिकेशन मिलता है। आपको बताया जाता है ये कौन सा प्लांट है। आपको जो डिज़ीज़ के सिम्टम्स आइडेंटिफाई होते हैं प्लांट की फ़ोटो को देख के, वो बताए जाते हैं और साथ में उसके सॉल्यूशंस भी बताए जाते हैं जो कि एग्रीकल्चरल एक्सपर्ट्स के द्वारा दिए गए होते हैं। तो अब हम जैसे अर्बन फार्मिंग कर रहे होते हैं तो हमें बहुत सारी प्लांट की डिज़ीज़ के बारे में, बहुत सारे पेस्ट्स के बारे में पता नहीं होता है। तो ये एक बहुत अच्छा सॉल्यूशन है। तो देखिए, एक सबसे बड़ी बात, ये फ्री है, एंड्रॉयड पर अवेलेबल है। तो गूगल प्ले स्टोर में जाके मैंने एंड्रॉयड अभी डाउनलोड किया है और इंस्टॉल कर रहा हूँ। तो इसमें दूसरी बात ये है कि बहुत सारे लैंग्वेजेस में आता है। गुजराती, तमिल, पंजाबी, उड़िया, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, स्पेनिश, फ्रेंच, इंडोनेशियन, पोर्चुगीज़ and Urdu. So here we are just reviewing the Android app, and you have to accept the terms and terms of reference for using. तो एक लैंग्वेज चूज़ करने के बाद आप इसको एक्सेप्ट करते हैं और गेट स्टार्टेड। अच्छा, ये एक लोकेशन बेस्ड ऐप है तो आपको लोकेशन परमिशन देनी पड़ेगी, बिकॉज़ हम जानते हैं कि एग्रीकल्चर में बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिसेस लोकेशन स्पेसिफिक हैं। तो इट इज़ बेटर इफ़ यू use the location, and as you see it has information on various crops, be it horticulture crops, be it trees, be it cash crops, be it staples, be it fruits, vegetable, flowers, everything. तो अभी मैं दिखाता हूँ, हमारे गार्डन में एक ब्रिंजल का पौधा है, उसमें काफ़ी टाइम से फ्रूट्स नहीं आ रहे हैं। तो लेट अस गो अहेड विद ब्रिंजल एंड देन वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट. So it gives you multiple options, like I grow crops in pots in my home garden, so I'll say I grow crops in my home garden and then continue. अच्छा, उसके बाद में ये आपको फर्टिलाइज़र, किसी पर्टिकुलर क्रॉप में कितने फर्टिलाइज़र का रिक्वायरमेंट है, कौन से पेस्ट एंड डिजीज़ है, क्या कल्टीवेशन टिप्स हैं, सब आपको देता है। अच्छा, दूसरा सबसे बड़ी बात, ये सीधा फार्मर्स को या क्रॉप ग्रोअर्स को सीधा एग्री इनपुट डीलर्स के साथ में कनेक्ट करता है और उस जो भी ट्रांजैक्शन होती है उसका एक पार्ट इट यूटिलाइजेस टू कीप इट्स बिजनेस रनिंग. एंड रिसेंटली इट वाज इन द न्यूज़ दैट Simon Stray, who is CEO of the Plantix app, he shifted to the India because the business has been growing like anything. But all I wanted to share with you, it's a beautiful app, very informative, very knowledgeable, and a must-have app on your mobile phone if you are into kitchen gardening, if you are into home gardening, terrace gardening, balcony gardening, you are a farmer or anything, because it is such a great repository of knowledge that is available at the click of your mouse or at the tap of your finger, that you cannot afford to not to have it. So we'll just go to the my garden and we'll click the photograph of the banana plant and let us see what does it recommend. Before you click the sorry for the noise. Before you click the photograph, there are some instructions that come, like the only objective is कि फ़ोटो अच्छे से अच्छा आना चाहिए. So after reading it, I am like, this brinjal plant is devoid of leaves, so I have kind of, now this will upload it, and okay, it is saying that image has been taken from too far away. I'll move close to the camera, I'll move close to the plant, and but as there are other plants in the background also, so I think there might be some. Okay, let's. Okay, so it says it does not identify pictures, so I'm posing a question to the community that my brinjal plant is shedding leaves. I'll just move inside. There is a lot of noise on the street. So as on date, app is not supporting any solution for the brinjal, so it gives you an option that ask community कि मतलब आप अपना बाकी लोगों से पूछिए कि आपके क्रॉप में क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. तो ये मैंने डाल दिया है इसमें, and let us see what do I get. So now you send it to the community. It says too few words. Okay, so I have written leaves are shedding, no new veggies sprouting, plants is more than a year old. So it asks you to write your name and enter your phone number, and once you punch in your phone number you'll get an SMS with the verification code, because it works on the real time and as you're sharing your location. But be rest assured, prima facie it doesn't look like there will be theft of your identity or something like that. But अगर आप अपना मोबाइल नंबर शेयर नहीं करेंगे तो you will not get the tips and this thing on your SMS, because it is like it incorporates the use of SMS as well. So let me punch in my name. So it has sent me a verification code which I have punched in. Okay, so now it has accepted and I have put my query over here. So now let us see, like Tapesh Roy from West Bengal has been asking like what causes leaf curl. So he has uploaded a picture of brinjal plant with the leaf curls, and then there is an answer as well. So Mr. Suresh Koller has answered to the query that okay, fine. So here is another question, why is my eggplant being pruned? So again Mr. Suresh Koller has replied that it could be because of the sooty mold, it could be because of the powdery mildew, and click on the green link for knowing preventive and treating measures. So like let us click on that, and now see the beauty is it is giving you an overall view of like what is powdery mildew, कैसे होता है, क्या symptoms होते हैं, what you should do, and let us see recommendation इन्होंने बताया है. So treat now, we have selected this option. So what causes it, and it again gives you an option of sharing it with your fellow member. This is how it is done. Like आप सीधा एक प्लांट का फ़ोटो अपलोड करते हैं उसकी बीमारी का, तो it connects you with the agricultural experts, with the similar people with the same interest group, the farmers, the scientists, and it gives you a real-time solution. And it is the beauty is it gives you solution from the experts, and that too free of cost. So here are like you can straight away upload the parts of the plant, picture of parts of the plants having some, giving you a weather update also, and you can get the medicine also. Like so this is my mango tree, and if I upload the photo of my mango tree leaves which are like wilting at the tip, so let me see what does it suggest. So it says that my tree has been suffering from the potassium deficiency as there is browning of leaf tips, and it says yellowing of leaves starts from the margins, main vein remain dark green, curly, stunted growth. So if I add a potassium rich fertilizer, so it will possibly remove this problem. So this is the beauty, right? Let us try another thing. As this app says that mango has been detected on your last health check, so if you want आप मैंगो को ऐड कर सकते हैं आपके क्रॉप में, तो आपको मैंगो से रिलेटेड टिप्स मिलते रहेंगे. तो इस तरह से देखिए, यू कैन टेक अ पिक्चर ऑफ द क्रॉप, यू कैन अपलोड इट, कैन आस्क द एक्सपर्ट, यू कैन get the diagnosis, you can get the medicines, you can get the weather updates, you can also have pest and diseases. So these are the various okay, like mango has been uploaded So it is giving you a knowledge on the now. See, it connects me to the various fertilizer shop in my vicinity, right? Another thing is the various herbicides, various pesticides, various seeds. So in the main aim of this video was to introduce this Plantix app to all my viewers and to popularize the concept. It is actually an unpaid video, but I was genuinely inspired by the Plantix app, so that is why I made a video on this. So thank you so much for watching and stay connected. I'll keep on introducing similar informative apps on this channel. Request to kindly like and subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, I'll request you to please share it with your friends, and any suggestions are welcome. Kindly do make a comment about the topic that I should make video, or about the any specific input that you would like to give. Thank you so much for watching. Good day. Bye bye. Happy gardening, happy YouTubing, happy work.